Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing your WhatsApp bio on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Click on the gear icon located on the left side to open settings. Step 3. Now, navigate to the profile section. Step 4. Find the About section and click on the pen icon next to it. This will allow you to edit your bio. Your WhatsApp bio is a fantastic way to express yourself and share a glimpse of your personality with others. It's like your digital introduction, so it's essential to make it unique and captivating. Feel free to showcase your interests, hobbies, or even a witty quote that reflects your character. You can also use emojis or special characters to add some flair to your bio. By personalizing your WhatsApp bio, you can make your profile more engaging and leave a lasting impression on your contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change your WhatsApp bio on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy bio editing.